Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ollie here from CryptoVest.com. Today is the 30th of August and we're going to be looking at Bitcoin Cash trading into US dollar over one-day candles. And as you can see, Bitcoin Cash continues to fall inside this bearish descending triangle pattern. As you can see, it's actually started to consolidate inside the base support region between $600 and $521. Bollinger Bands are starting to pinch as volatility decreases, and that could be attributed to the stalemate that's going on right now between Bitcoin Cash developers and miners. There's been a real ongoing feud between Craig Wright of nChain, a blockchain development firm and sort of key Bitcoin Cash player, and he's got support from CoinGeek, which is the largest Bitcoin Cash mining pool right now, and those two are in opposition with Bitcoin ABC, which is the largest Bitcoin Cash client, and Bitmain, who own a significant portion of the mining pool as well through Antpool and BTC.com. So there's a sort of big battle going on right now, and it's kind of been spurred on a little bit by by Cobra, who's the anonymous owner of Bitcoin.org. And in a recent Medium post, this person posted sort of highlighted a few issues between the two hard fork proposals going forward, which is scheduled in November this year, and said there's going to be a major consensus issue, and it's going to spell doom for a lot of investors if these two parties don't come in agreement. And the battle sort of restarted when Bitcoin ABC sort of subtly started off with this new upgrade release, the 0.18.0 upgrade, and that included a whole heap of changes, including canonical transaction ordering and atomic swaps and things like that. And then in response to that, Craig Wright's team at nChain then created this new release, Bitcoin SV, Satoshi Vision. And that proposed changes to increase block size parameters by 4 times, from 32 megabytes to 128 megabytes, and reinstate 4 Satoshi opcodes in an attempt to kind of keep it in line with Satoshi's original vision. And yeah, so that's the kind of position for both parties. So it's really creating quite a lot of controversy, and it's having an effect on the price. You can see that the Bitcoin Cash still hasn't picked up again, and as Bitcoin's been doing particularly well, Ethereum's starting to make some sort of movement, although they're having trouble with their development team getting all the core developers in line, ready for their hard fork soon. So yeah, we're just still waiting to see what's going to come out of this, and whether the two parties can actually come together, or whether there will be a split. Vitalik Buterin's actually weighted in on this and told Bitcoin ABC and the rest of them not to conform with Craig Wright's opposition and actually sort of ostracize him. So it's a really interesting thing going on right now. So for the short term, it kind of appears that Bitcoin Cash is actually going to continue bearish, and we'd expect it to fall through this base support and maybe find a new support at the top end of this secondary support area at maybe $406. There's a lower support at $291, but I think for now we'll probably fly through this no man's land in the middle here and find support here before maybe pushing on if they can reach an agreement, or if there is a split. It'll be interesting to see how people react to that. And if we look at the Chaikin money flow indicator, you can see that it's still not over the signal line, so selling pressure is still overpowering buying pressure right now. And on the on the RSI indicator, you can see it was oversold. It's pushed back in since, but it's now starting to curve back and actually head back towards this sort of 30 mark here. So yeah, a lot to look forward to in the future, and it'll be interesting to see how these guys go on. There's a lot of Twitter battles going on as well in the background. So yeah, for the full TA guys, head over to CryptoVest.com. The link will be in the description, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.